Everyone starts with a dream, but no one talks about how lonely it feels at the beginning. They said, just upload. They didn't say how much silence it comes with. You don't quit because you fail. You quit because no one even notices. Maybe they were right. Maybe this isn't for me. What if the problem wasn't the algorithm? What if it was me, still learning? Belief is quiet. Discipline is louder. But consistency changes everything. It wasn't fame. It was proof. The same platform that ignored you now listens. This was worth it. A million subscribers built. YouTube didn't change my life in a day. It changed my habits, my patience, my belief.